This is the 128-piece premium micro sander and sandpaper kit, designed for detailed sanding and precision work. It's a versatile set that works well for wood projects, crafts, furniture touch-ups, and other DIY tasks, especially in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. The kit includes a mini hand sander and a small sanding block, along with a wide assortment of sandpaper ranging from 80 to 3,000 grit. That range makes it easy to move from more aggressive sanding and material removal to fine smoothing and finishing. I like that the compact sander is easy to hold and control, which is especially helpful when working on corners, edges, or small surfaces. The sandpaper sheets are sized to fit the included tools, so you can switch grits quickly depending on the stage of your project. Lower grits like 80 or 120 are great for shaping and removing rough spots, while higher grits in the 1,000 to 3,000 range are ideal for smoothing and refining surfaces before painting or sealing. If you're looking for a complete mini sanding kit that covers everything from heavy sanding to fine finishing, this 128-piece micro sander and sandpaper set is a practical addition to your DIY toolkit.